What's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a Vevor diesel heater in a 29-foot fifth wheel. So we'll see if it heats. It's going to go right here. Got to cut a hole in the wall right there. And put a pipe through it to run the exhaust out. So yeah. Install that. So let's go out and cut this pipe. Alright, so this is the pipe I'm going to cut. I'm going to cut this. And then we're going to run the exhaust straight through here. Straight through my wall. So we're going to cut about 6 inches off of this. And then I got to go cut a hole in my wall after I get this cut. So let's get it. Right. Right there. So we'll go a little bit over. I feel like that's a lot shorter. Check this one more time. It's going to be a little bit shorter. That's alright though. Well, it is cutting through it. Slowly but surely, we're getting there. It ain't gonna be perfect. I'll tell you that right now. It ain't gonna be perfect. there. Got like 2 more inches to go. She is. Clean her up a little bit. Yeah.
Shit, I wasn't sure it was gonna work.
It took forever, and it's gonna be shorter.
Yeah, that's what I told you. It was gonna take a long time to cut through that with that grinder.
That blade was so thick on the grinder that I didn't account for it. So
yeah, I just measure the shallowest part.
So we got our pipe cut. Now I just got to go put it in the trailer now. All right, so I got our hole marked in here. Just got to cut this out now, and then go cut the hole out outside. I think I want to go down to this line right there. We'll go in the middle of that. And if I have to shave off a little bit more, then so be it. Alright, so it looks like I'm going to have to cut this out. I got a stub right here. I think that's metal. That, or I'm going to have to move my pipe over just a little bit. Cut this side out. And then I'm going to have to go all the way over here like this. So I'm not sure if I can cut this out. I'm not sure if I can cut a chunk of that out. We'll see. Alright, I gotta figure some stuff out and then I'll be back on. Alright, got my hole cut inside. I just need to cut this hole out here. Yeah, grab the 10 snaps. Getting there, slowly but surely. Alright, got my hole done. I need to get the pipe and see if it'll fit. No, I gotta cut a little bit more. Can you push that through one more time? Okay, yeah, okay. Can you try to push through again? Nope. Maybe try her again. Dang it, it's so freaking close. Got the top through. Okay, pull it out. Just need to trim this down just one more time over here. Alright, let's try that. Can you spin it at all? Alright, I'll have to trim this down a little bit more up here. Yeah. Yeah, let's try it one more time then. If it doesn't work, I'll get that file. Hold on. Oh, you got out. You're out. Yep. Beautiful. Alright. So that's in. Just gotta get my stand built and then hook it up and put my exhaust through there and plug that. Alright, so I got my stand built. Got my hole out the window, or out the wall. And then I had my dad come over and he did all the wiring for me. All I gotta do is just screw these into this wood, run my exhaust, pack that hole with some steel wool, and then get some diesel and fire her up. So I'm going to get this screwed down to its little platform and get going. Sorry about the camera angle in here, it's pretty tight. this is gonna be the part that sucks. Get back here. Alright, I think I'm only going to do one screw back there. It's not like it's going to be bouncing up and down back there or nothing. So, that'll work. Now, I got to get my exhaust hooked up. Ran out the hole. Get that going. Go outside and grab it real quick. Alright, so I got my muffler. And I got my, I guess, hose clamps for the exhaust. That's can't believe they didn't make some kind of a exhaust clamp for this. We're using hose clamps. Kind of a little sketchy. Could be, maybe. I don't know. All right. These here bad boys on. Dang. Super loose. That's better. A little tighter. She actually stays on there. I think she's all the way up. Alright, I think I got that tight. As tight as she's gonna get, anyway. I'll have to do some soapy water on that once I get her going here. I may have to undo these and scoot this back a little bit. Got another inch back there that I could probably go. Yeah, that's what it's looking like. All right. At least I didn't put a screw all the way in that really tight spot back there. That's good. I think that's about as good as that's gonna get. As close as I can get right there. All right. Looks pretty straight. I'm not even gonna put that back one in yet. We'll wait. All right. Oh, there it is. Hose clamp. This here muffler. Now we gotta go outside. Alright, get the muffler set up, or hooked up. Should be set. This matters which side. Don't think it. Oh, yep, sure does. There it goes. Oh no. Damn it. Dang it. I'm gonna put it like that so the water drips off of it. I think that's as tight as that's gonna get. I got extra parts. I don't think that's a good sign. Alright, got some steel wool. I'm gonna pack this hole full of it now. Alright, that's all she wrote. Got my still wool in there. Got my dad over there pulling some diesel. So yeah, so we'll start it back up here in a minute when we go to turn it back on. Alright, so it's about 9:20 and it's 27 degrees outside. I'll put that screenshot up right now. And this one is reading 78. This one is reading, what about, probably 71, something like that. And this one is reading 67. I had it up to like 72, but we were trying to mess with the thermostat, trying to figure out how to work the thermostat on this. And we cooled my camper down to try to get the thermostat to kick on and off, and we got it to kick off, just didn't turn back on. And I don't know, we're gonna have to mess around with this a little bit more and figure everything out on it. So yeah, I'll give you guys an update in the morning and see how cold it is in here in the morning. This is gonna be the only heater that I'm running in here tonight. So we'll see how she does. Alright, so it's 6:15 roughly, and it's 17 degrees outside. This is saying 64. So it's saying 68. That one's saying about 60, 68, 68 probably. She went through some fuel though. I'm almost out, so. She's still pumping hot, so. Yep, I think it did pretty good. And it's only on half power. So yeah, did pretty good.